So I'm going to show you how to do a lifting and firming neck massage to tone your neck naturally using facial massage and your neck cream. Now I've already applied my Fusion by Danielle Collins Pro Lift Moisturizing Serum. So I've already got that beautiful glide on my skin, and I'm going to layer it up with my brand new product, the Fusion by Danielle Collins Pro Firming Neck Cream. And then that combination of those two beautiful ingredients is going to nourish and hydrate my skin, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and the massage is going to help boost the circulation, the collagen elastin, and help to tone up that area. So making sure you have clean hands, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of the cream to my neck now. So you want to do the exact same thing if you can. I'm just going to warm it slightly in my hands, and then I'm just going to dab it on here to my collarbone. I might just do a little bit there as well, and then just dabbing all the way up, and then just slightly dabbing down here. Just helps have a little bit of lymphatic drainage. We're mostly going to work upwards today because we're working on lifting, but just helping to drain a bit of the lymph as we tap in is really nice. And we're just going to tap with all our fingers and just help our product go deeper into the skin. If you don't have the Pro Firming Neck Cream, you can just use whatever product you have here. The main thing is you do the massage and you just help the product get a little bit deeper into the skin. And I love layering these two products. I always think that the neck needs that extra hydration. It is definitely prone to having a lot less dryness and lack of moisture than the rest of the face. It also can be more prone to sun damage. It can be definitely prone to poor posture effects, so lines and wrinkles and sagginess and fluid retention from when we're looking down at screens a lot. We also can forget to do SPF on this area as much, and therefore it can age quicker as well. So that's why we've got this beautiful cream to layer up with the moisturizing serum, or you can use it alone, absolutely fine as well. Okay, so we're just going to go upwards now, and then you're going to come to just underneath your ears and then do very, very light lymphatic drainage and come down. I know we said we weren't going to do much lymphatic drainage, but let's just add this in here because it's going to detox as well as the lift. So medium pressure here, come up underneath your jaw, behind your ears, very light pressure, come down, pulse your collarbone. So medium pressure to lift up, slightly tilt your head back if your neck feels okay to do so, slide under your jawbone, so lift and sculpt there, come behind the ears, so you're going down the lymph vessels, down to the lymph nodes, and a little bit of a pulse. Let's do that one more time, coming up, along, and then slowly down and pulsing. Okay, let's just work upwards now. I'm going to just add a little bit more cream, just so I've got a little bit more glide there, and then I'm working upwards and just breathing in those beautiful essential oils. It's all organic, vegan, cruelty-free. It's very good if your skin is slightly more on the dry or dehydrated side. And it's very good also if you're just looking for really good results from skincare, but ones that are designed to be done alongside face yoga. And if you're looking for a bit of an alternative to more invasive procedures as well. And face yoga and organic skincare is definitely a lovely natural way to do that. So just working up the side a little bit now and working up the other side, really lifting, improving the circulation and the energy flow as well. As we improve the energy flow, we really help to everything in this area tighten up and look a lot healthier. So we're just going to bring the chin parallel to the floor and tap along now. So this, bringing the chin parallel to the floor, instantly helps with our posture. So it stops us doing this, which causes all those lines and fluid retention there. And we're often in that position more than we realise, particularly if we look at phones a lot. So just bringing the chin parallel to the floor and then doing this tapping to help to firm this area is very, very good. Never underestimate the power of good posture and a little bit of massage for helping your skin just to look a little bit more glowing. Now, I like moving my head from side to side like I'm doing here, but you can keep it still if you prefer. And just try breathe in and out through your nose. And you may be able to tell from my voice that I have a little bit of a cold, well, right at the end of a cold now. So my breathing through the nose is not quite as good as usual, but if you can breathe in through the nose to about a count of 4 and out through the nose to about a count of 6, then that's going to make a really big difference to helping with your nervous system calming, reducing the stress levels therefore, even helping to aid the lymphatic drainage when we are just breathing more effectively. Okay, so just bring the hand down, roll your shoulders a couple of times here. It's really important not to hold tension in your shoulders whilst you're doing your face yoga. Now we're going to do a little bit of pinching, but we want to go down to the muscle. We don't want to pull this really delicate thin skin, and that's why again a really moisturizing cream is great for the neck area because the skin is thinner than the rest of the face. But with this one, if you go down to the muscle, you're just stimulating the muscle. So 2 fingers and thumb like this, and we're just literally pinching and lifting off. So we pinch and lift off. Again, just focus on your breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. We're just working upwards either side here of the bone, just where you feel that more fleshy part, and lifting off and taking that again. And if you want a bit more of a structured routine, I have a brand new course called Neck, Jowl and Jaw Lift with Easy Face Yoga. Now it's only £21. If you're watching this in the launch period, it's only £19, and you get lifetime access to 7 face yoga videos, all for the neck and the lower face. Very targeted. You can watch them again and again as much as you like. You can build them into your routine. They're all either 2 minutes or 10-minute long. Plus there's a masterclass in there to help you understand more about your neck and jaw area and why we get jowls and aging through the neck. So head to faceyogaexpert.com and you will see all the information there. I hope you have had a really lovely moment of mindful self-care. Don't forget to keep breathing deeply throughout the day. Keep an eye on your posture as well. And for the neck cream and the other Fusion by Danielle Collins products, just head to faceyogaexpert.com. Have a great day. Bye bye.